Hello. In this video, we'll install Node-RED onto a Mac. Let's get started. To install Node-RED, we'll open up Safari, and then we'll just search for Node-RED. And the first link, nodered.org, that's where we want to go. So we'll start off by going to the documentation, and then click on Getting Started, and finally Running Locally. Now we'll scroll down, and you see here this prerequisite that we need to install Node.js first. So we'll go ahead and go there, scroll down a little bit, and there's a link here, Provided Guides. Scroll down a little, we come to macOS, and then finally a link to the macOS installer. I'm going to choose this version, recommended for most users, so I'll go ahead and click on that, and then yes, I'll allow the download. Wait a few minutes here. Okay, the download's finished. Go ahead and click on this. Click on Continue, Continue, Agree. We'll click on Install. Type in my password. Click on Install. Let this run for a bit, and we're done. We'll click on Close. And I don't need the installer package anymore, so I'll just say Move to Trash. Now that we've got Node.js installed, we'll go back and then install with npm. So we'll open up a terminal and paste that into our terminal. So let's go here, other, and terminal. So now I'll paste this command in. Put in my password. And this is going to take a couple minutes to run, so I'll fast forward this part. Node-RED completed, and now it's asking to install Xcode build. So go ahead and install that. And again, this is going to take a little while, so we'll fast forward this part. Okay, the software was installed. Click Done. To start Node-RED, all we need to do is type in node-red in the terminal, and that'll kick it off. So the server's now running. 127.0.0.1, that's the machine itself, or otherwise known as localhost. So here we can just type in localhost :1880, or we could put in the numbers too, but it's easier just to type localhost. And there it is. So we'll do a quick test to make sure this is working as expected. So we'll drop in an inject node. We'll drop in a debug node. Connect the two. I'll double click this inject node. We'll get rid of that part. We'll change this to a string. We'll change this to hello world. Click Done. Deploy. Now we'll click on the bug icon to open up the debug window so we can see the debug output. So when we click here, we see hello world. That wraps it up for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay creative.